How to fix no sound on Google. Now, if your Google app is not providing any sounds in your device, there might be cluttered cache in your Google app or Google Chrome app depending on where you are using the sound. Now, in that case, just simply go into the app settings and select either Google or Google Chrome depending on what you are using, and select the section of storage, and then tap to this clear cache button, which will delete all of the cluttered cache in your device, and that might fix your issue with the sound. Otherwise, if it is not fixing your issue, go to the settings, and after going into the settings, select the option of sound and vibration. Now, after selecting sound and vibration, make sure that your phone is set to the sound mode rather than the vibrate and mute mode. Then after that, go to the section of volume. Then after going in the section of volume, just simply check out if all of the volume are set in the required amount. If not, you can adjust the volume for ringtone, media, notification and system, and also AI assistant. Now, after checking out all of the volume settings from here, your issue might get fixed in the Google. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.